Hello Shopify user. In this video, now I'm going to discuss about the Shopify shipping level and shipping method. For that, I'm going to visit a Shopify store and show you step by step. So for that, first of all, I'm going to settings section. So if I click settings, then this window will be appear, and we just need to click the shipping and deliver. And here are some options like shipping. So from here, we'll be able to create the shipping based on the location, like based on the countries. And if we have any custom shipping rate, we can add from here. So also we can use local deliver and local pickup. So also here you can see the another option for the shipping package. So obviously you have to create the shipping package for a product based on the product size, like for product dimension. Okay. And then you can see the shipping option. You can see Shopify shipping option. So there are some shipping option for this website. So you will get some from this option. So what you need to do first, you need to set up the shipping package first. Like if you guys click here, add package, and then you'll be able to see these two options like custom package and carrier package. So for the custom package, you can use your own package size. Like also there are three type of option for the package, so you can choose any of them, and then you can add the dimension of the product, and then you can add the package. Already you can see here the package already. Or if you guys want to use the carrier shipping package, so you can click here and then click a shipping provider like USPS, and then you can choose any size that will match with your product. Okay. And then I need to add this package. For example, you can see this on is come from USPS, like this one. In Shopify, there are some shipping provider. So there are four options here, and also since you're using the Shopify platform, that's why you guys will get advantage in for discount. So you can see you guys will get like 67% discount for USPS and 82% discount for UPS, and others too. You can see 72 and 48. So yeah, you will get on this discount on the from Shopify. If you guys want to use this shipping provider externally, so you will not get this discount. So uh, if you purchase the shipping level from Shopify, then you guys will get the discount from Shopify. Okay. So how you can set up the shipping? So for that, first you need to go to the first section and just need to click this arrow icon. And from here you guys will be able to create the shipping zone based on your country. So we're added the two option here. You can see the domestic one for United States, and the international for some countries, you can see. So you guys if you want, you guys can create another option like another shipping zone by click here, and then you can search the name of the country, and then you can add the shipping zone. And also you can add the rate. So if you guys click here like add rate, and then you'll be able to see there are two options. One option for your own rate, like if you want to add your own rate, like you want to ship the product within 3 or 5 days or more, so you can use your own rate. Or if you want to use like shipping provider, so you can click here, and then you can see this shipping provider is available for this website, and then you can choose any of them, and then you can select from you can select the option from here, and then you can select this one like future service, you can see. And then it will charge the shipping rate based on the distance. Okay. And then you need to go the shipping page again and check the shipping package is already set up. And after getting the order from the customer, then you can see here the order section. So if you guys click a order, and then you can purchase the shipping label from here. So if you guys click here, and it will lead you to this page, and from here you'll be able to purchase the shipping label. Okay. So if you proceed the shipping label, and you guys can see shipping information to customer now. So the customer will get the notification for your shipping label, and then you guys can complete the payment for the shipping label. So here you can see the create shipping label and buy shipping label. So if you guys buy shipping label, it will not any extra charge to you. Only it will charge only for the shipping cost, this cost. And also you guys will get the discount. So after getting the discount, the shipping price will be only $5. Okay. And the for the shipping level, it will not any extra charge for that. And once you have done the shipping to your customer, and it will add the cost in your with your billing. Okay, so you can check the cost in the billing section. It will charge in the billing section, so you guys can check in the billing section. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how you can create the package and set up the shipping method, also how you guys can create the shipping label. So you can go with this feature in Shopify. Thank you so much.